Hi guys, Dr. Wendy Dearborne here from the Laws of Attraction in Action and Food Beyond Its Nutrition. Guys, today is day 1445 of our whole food, plant-based, pescetarian, I've got shrimp here, eating experience. Okay, in my bowl today, and I decided to make a rice bowl, I made General Tso's shrimp with vegetables. It usually doesn't come with vegetables, but in it I put some broccoli, as you just seen, some red bell pepper, and some red onions, and copious amounts of green onions. That's the whites and the green tops. Copious amounts. Well, I decided to do this a little differently. I decided that instead of garnishing only with sesame seeds, I was going to garnish with crispy brown garlic and, of course, serve it with vegetables, which typically you don't serve it with vegetables. General Tso's is a really sweet and spicy sauce, and guys, this came out delicious. This was nothing short of deliciousness on a plate, guys. So if you would like this recipe and more, guys, please visit me at foodbeyonditsnutrition.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.